So how I turned 200 clicks into $1,912 in affiliate commissions by promoting ClickBank products with Google Ads. So guys, in this video I'm going to reveal to you exactly how to promote ClickBank products on Google Ads step by step, but I'm going to show you first proof exactly how much money I have earned, and then I'm going to show you exactly inside my Google Ad account and reveal to you how I can basically promote your ClickBank affiliate products through my Google advertising account. So we already are making money here, so why not use your link and we can drive some commissions into your bank account also. Okay, so what we are going to do first of all is I'm going to show you here. Look, you can see inside my ClickBank account today is 21st of December 2021. In one single day I made $1,912 in affiliate sales, or actually commissions. This is money in my bank account already. Okay, so here also I'm going to show you inside my Google Ads account, and you can see that we got 201 clicks today on this account and made back $1,900. Okay, so here is exactly how we are earning this kind of money. So first of all, let me show you here, what Google advertising can really do for you. So here on the screen you can see that I'm earning a lot of money on ClickBank. Here look, $21,000 in commissions, $3,000, $2,000 per day. Here I'm also promoting other affiliate networks and I'm earning big commissions. And basically promoting ClickBank products on Google is one of the best way to earn money when you know, of course, how to do it the right way. It can literally give you an amazing lifestyle, which you can see here on the screen. And here is exactly how you can get started promoting ClickBank products on Google Ads. Number one, you need to have high paying affiliate offers. So look guys, why most people are struggling and failing is because they're promoting super cheap products. So if you have to spend money to run ads to get high quality traffic from Google, it will be almost impossible for you to have any profit if you're earning small commissions, tiny commissions. What I'm doing is I'm earning big commissions, $500 up to $1,000 per each sale. When you earn these kind of commissions, you can literally spend more money than your competition, and you can earn, you can get more traffic to earn more profit. So number one, promote high paying offers. I'm going to show you in just a second what kind of products you should be promoting on ClickBank to earn big money. And number two, I'll share with you my secret traffic source, exactly how I myself can send traffic to your affiliate link, literally hyperactive buyers from Google straight to your affiliate link, so you don't have to worry about spending money on Google, learning and wasting time. You can literally give me your affiliate link and I'm going to put your affiliate link inside my campaign on my pre-frame or pre-sale pages. Okay, so let's go and let's check it out. So first of all, what we are going to do is go to ClickBank and we are going to just in a second, we are going to go here to Marketplace. So I'm going to click here on Marketplace. I'm going to open up Marketplace here, and there are different products you can be promoting, but the one product that I recommend you can promote right now is called the Fast Tracks. The Fast Tracks by Merlin Holmes. So this product will pay you big commissions. So as you can see here, this product is paying. I'm going to open up here affiliate page, and you can see that this affiliate offer is paying between 1 second. So I have clicked on the wrong one. Okay, the Fast Tracks, you can see here that this affiliate product will pay you between 50 to 60% commissions on each and every sale. That means that you can earn between $460 all the way up to $560 commissions. So to start promoting this offer, we need to create first our affiliate link. This is pretty simple. So you click here on this blue promote button here, and we are going to create our unique link here. So first we will create here, type in our account nickname, tracking ID. I'm going to say buyers traffic because I'm using buyers traffic. And then I'm going to copy this affiliate link. So I'm going to click here this button to copy this affiliate link. And then step number two is for me basically to go to Google and to create my campaign on Google Ads. Okay, so basically I'm going to start running traffic to this affiliate link and start earning those big commissions, as you can see here on the screen. So if you have no experience, if you have never run Google Ads, I don't recommend you are doing it yourself. Here is why. Because there are certain things that you have to understand, that you have to learn, that you cannot get in just short time. I've been spending tens of thousands of dollars on Google Ads for the past year, or basically past 3 years. I've been spending a lot of money on Google Ads, and I know what it's working and how you can literally print money with Google Ads. So you have to target right people. You need right ads. You need retargeting. You need right things at place to make money. So why not just you give me your affiliate link. Basically, with this page, you see clicks to commissions. So just click the link below the video. Once you click the link below the video, you will go to this page, clicks to commissions. Once you're on this page, this is my private traffic agency, where I myself or somebody from my team will create Google pay-per-click campaign for you and literally run traffic to your affiliate link. So that means that myself, I'm making money every single day, thousands of dollars as an affiliate. What if I can literally take your affiliate link and put your link inside my pre-sale page? So instead, because with Google, you cannot run traffic, directly to an affiliate link. So you need to have right ad, right keywords, right setup of the whole campaign. Then you need pre-sale, pre-frame page or bridge page. And then you send people to an affiliate offer, high-paying affiliate offer. So we are going to do here 95% of the work. Take your link, put that link into our machine, and let's see how much money can you earn. All right, so here is what you do. Click the link below the video, go to this page, clicks to commissions. Once you're on this page, you watch this short video where I will explain how this traffic source works, what we do. Here you can see one of my test campaigns that I have ran. Here you can see my earnings, how much money I'm earning every single day and week with this traffic source, with Google Ads and ClickBank. And then you can see also some of our clients that are using this traffic source or our traffic agency to literally make first few $100, $500, $1,000, and so on. So once you're on this page, what you are going to do is enter here. You will go to order your bar traffic now. You scroll down here, and here you select which package do you want. So we have 4 different traffic packages, 250 clicks all the way up to 1,000 buyers clicks right now. So let's say that you want to start with 250 buyers clicks from Google. Select this, you click here on this package, scroll down and enter first name, last name, your email address, and here you paste your affiliate link from ClickBank and you complete the purchase with PayPal or PayPal credit. Once you complete the purchase, we will start your campaign in few hours or within maximum 48 hours because we have to build your campaign together. Okay, so currently we are giving away 150 bonus buyers clicks. So that means if you click the link below the video right now and you order minimum 250 buyers clicks, I'm going to add extra 150 bonus clicks into this package. So that means you get 400 buyers clicks from Google straight to your affiliate link. So all you do is just select this package, complete your order. But guys, don't complete the purchase with PayPal. If you want to get bonus clicks, don't use PayPal. If you want to get 150 extra clicks, send me first this short video and then send me email or a message on WhatsApp and just say that you would like to get bonus clicks, and I will give you another payment option. Because with PayPal, there is no bonus clicks and there are different reasons why, and I'm going to explain to you later if you text me, okay? Message me. So if you are brand new, if you don't know, if you would like to check me out and see what I'm doing and that I'm a real person, I have a proof. I'm basically having this amazing lifestyle all because of ClickBank affiliate marketing. You can literally follow me on Instagram and send me a message if you have any questions. And also, if you have Facebook, you can follow me on Facebook page. All the links are below the video in the descriptions. Okay. So, guys, look. If you would like to work with me personally for the next 60 days, you can apply for affiliate marketing coaching, where I can hold your hand and I can guide you. I can show you how to build highly successful campaigns on Google. So I've been spending a lot of money on Google, as I mentioned earlier, and I can literally show you how to build highly profitable, successful campaigns on Google. So you can build a long-term independent business. You never have to depend on myself or my traffic source or anybody else.